Peace up, A-Town down.
Yeah. Okay.
Hi, I'm Gabby. This is Kaprice. We're both athletic training students here at Seton Hall. And today I'll be the clinician and Kaprice will be the patient. We're going to be doing bird dogs for core stability. Proper patient positioning for a bird dog is Kaprice is going to be on her hands and knees, her shoulders above her hands and her knees just under her hips. And what she's going to do is she's going to fully extend her left arm and her right leg. And she'll hold that for 3 seconds and then go down. And then she will do the opposite, right arm, left leg. This is working on her core stabilizers and her hip extenders as well as shoulder flexors. In order to progress this exercise, what Kaprice could do is after she fully extends, she can come back into a crunch. And if we wanted to make it even harder than that, we could put dyna discs under her hand to give an uneven surface. In order to regress this exercise, what the clinician can do is they can place their hands on her hips to make sure her core is activated throughout the entire exercise.